Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I finally got my Ipsy. I feel like this month it took a very long time for me to get my Ipsy. I got it like a few days later than I normally would. So I finally got it and I wanted to share it with you guys. Of course, as always, I love sharing my Ipsy bag with you guys. So let's go ahead and get right into it. This month's bag looks like this. It's very appropriate for Valentine's Day. It has a very Valentine's Day love, 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 kisses and all theme. So it looks really, really pretty. It has like a leathery kind of a feel to it, and of course the zipper always says Ipsy on it, and it's like pink, and I love the little kisses a lipstick mark design. So I did get one item that was outside the bag because it was too big, but I'll do that item last because I love it. First you get this card. Now I've noticed that their cards have gotten bigger. The last time I got like more like a booklet kind of a card, but this time it's just a two-sided card, and it just says swoon so hard, and it basically gives you information about Ipsy. Now if you are interested in an Ipsy, I will leave a link in my description. You can go there and check it out. And in the back it has like all the items that I got, and it gives you like a little bit of like an information on the items and also like tips on how to use them. So that's really, really cool. They usually have that like online, so now you don't have to go onto the app or online to check those out. So you get 5 items and all of them are listed back here. So let's just go ahead and get right into this. So the first item I see is, this is from Lab4U, and it is their Multi-X Repair Cream. So this is a moisturizer, and it says that it's good for acne prone skin because it is infused with witch hazel, and it helps to fight breakouts. Actually for the last couple of days I feel like I've been getting breakouts here and there, and I have been taking good care of my skin, and I have been eating well too, so I don't know what that's all about, but yeah. So this is supposed to help with that. I'm just gonna see how it is, how it feels. It's very watery, but it looks like it has good moisturizing powers. Feels kind of nice. It has like a very moisturized feel. A tip with moisturizers, and that's one of the tips that they said here, is to apply your moisturizer and then wait for like 10 to 15 minutes for your moisturizer to absorb onto your skin, and then apply your makeup. That goes with anything you apply on your skin. If you're going to apply a serum or anything, whatever your routine is, let that be able to soak into your skin. So give it its time. Don't just go ahead and apply one after another. So remember that as a tip. There's no point in putting all this stuff on if you're not letting your skin absorb it. So you can get the benefits of it. Especially for SPFs, you definitely want to apply those at least 15 minutes before you leave the house, just so that you can get all the benefits of it, and it can help the skin from the sun's rays. So with your SPF, please, first of all, wear an SPF, whether it's rain, shine, whatever it is, wear an SPF and leave it on your skin at least 15 minutes before you leave the house. So that way you can be protected. I just repeated myself, but do it, okay? Because it's important. Let's move on to the next item. So next item that sticks out is this highlighter by CIATÉ. It is Glow 2 highlighter. I love getting highlighters. You'll be able to tell in the video I did of this makeup. So if you are interested in this makeup, it is coming up very, very soon. And if it's already up, I will leave a link to it up here. Please go and check it out after this video. But yeah, I love highlighters. I love the highlighter I'm using right now. So if you want to know what it is, go check out that video. If it's not out, wait and go check it out. So this is what the highlighter looks like. It has like a little bit of like a rose gold type of a tint, to me at least, like a pinkish tint to it. It's called Moondust. Oh, okay. So that's how it swatches. That is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. I love a highlighter that doesn't have a lot of gold specks in it, that are like loose glitter, like, you know, really, really tiny specks of like glitter in it. I love highlighters that are more like a smooth highlighter, like liquid highlighters are sometimes like that. Very smooth, it just glides on, and this looks like it's one of those. Oh, that is so pretty. Okay, so definitely love that. So that's a plus. I love this highlighter. What's next? Next, I have this CHELLA eyeliner pen in brown. Let's see how that looks. Oh, I love the tip, first of all. It's a felt tip and it's very pointy and it is brown and I like it. I wonder if it's waterproof. Because if it's waterproof, it's even better. It's like a deep brown, so that'll look really nice. I never really use a brown eyeliner, whether it is pencil or liquid. I usually go for black, but I do want to do a look with a brown liner, so this is perfect for that. That's what it looks like. I think it's dry. Let me just see. It's not completely smudge proof, but it's not like crazy. Like it is staying on unless I really go and rub it off, so who's really doing that on their eye anyways? But yeah, it's not waterproof. The last thing in my bag is this LAQA Prickly Pear lip gloss. Okay, so we'll see how the color looks. It looks like it's more of like a tinted gloss because it doesn't look very pigmented in the bottle. Yeah, it's like a tinted gloss, nothing too crazy. Because this color on its own, I probably would not wear it on my lips, but you know, never say never. But yeah, it is more like a tinted gloss, so it's like a nice pinky color when you just want to go out, especially like in the summer and stuff. You just want to wear like a nice pop of color for a gloss, like something tinted. This would be really, really, really pretty for that. So this is, I've never heard of this brand, LAQA. I don't know if I'm even saying it right. And the last item I have is this brush. How cute! Oh my gosh, I love this. I was so happy when I saw this. So this is, first of all, it comes in a plastic and it has this, looks like a flower. But look at how pretty this brush is. It's a brush by F.A.R.A.H. I got a brush from F.A.R.A.H. I think last month as well. So beautiful, so soft. I mean, this is just pretty. Look at it. And it is their 50F. It is beautiful. It has like a nice gradient on the handle. It's like an almost like a rose goldish to like this hot pinky purple color, and it's so pretty. Oh my gosh. But yeah, so I'm really, really, really happy with this brush because all my brushes, they are pretty, no. My brushes look very boring. There isn't anything with too much color. My favorite kind of brushes that I have are my Zoeva brushes because they have like this chocolatey brown handle and like a copper ferrule, so I like it. But all my brushes are pretty much just boring other than that. But this is definitely a pop of color. I really like it. And I also got anything that I have a pop of color in my brush collection comes from Ipsy. So this is my Lisa Frank inspired brush that I got from Ipsy, and it is also so beautiful. So I have like pretty brushes now, but I really, really, really like this. I always get like an eyeshadow brush from Ipsy, which I love. Don't get me wrong, I love anytime I get brushes, but I've always wanted like a face brush, and this is my first face brush, and I'm so happy. I mean, no, I lied. I just showed you this. I got this before, which I love. Don't get me wrong, I love it. But I love this, it's so pretty. But yeah, so I'm happy about my brushes, obviously. So yeah, that's it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. And again, if you are interested in an Ipsy, I will leave a link to it in my description. And also, if you are interested in this look that I did, I will have the video out soon. But if you're watching this video after I've already had it out, I'll leave a link to it up here, and you can go and check that out. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And in the comments below, let me know which one of my items you like the most, or if you're crazy about brushes and highlights as much as I am. Honestly, I'm crazy about brushes, highlights, and eyeliners, and they gave me all three, so I'm very, very happy about that. And last but not least, please, please, please subscribe to my channel and click that little bell icon so you get notified every time I upload. I thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Bye!